Hey everyone, today I'm going to share with you my 3 different ways which you can define your eyebrows. The first step I'm using is the Sugar Arch Arrival Brow Definer. You can use any brow definer you have, any brand. So this Arch Arrival of Sugar, it has one side the brush and the other side this pencil kind of definer. So it's very easy to define. So you can fill in the gaps with that shade. I'm using here is Jerry Brown medium brown shade, and I have also shared a separate video of my review on this product, so you can click the link in my description box to check the review. So I am defining it, making it a nice shape with that pencil, and filling it with that brush as well. So this is one of the easiest and most common method to define your eyebrows. The second step you can also use is the eyeshadow palette. So you need to have any eyeshadow, like whether it's any brand. I'm using yours from Flower Beauty, that is the Hollywood actress Drew Barrymore's new range. So you need to have any eyeshadow palette which have any of these 3 colors, that is black, brown or gray. As you all know, the eyebrows it is not black. We have it's like similar to the color of our hairs. So if you have any of these shades in your eyeshadow palettes, you're good to go. So you can fill in the gaps with this eyeshadow colors, the black, brown or gray. So I'm using the brown and dark brown shade from this Flower Beauty palette. This palette is also available in Nykaa.com. I have also made a separate easy look with the the Flower Beauty product. I will share the link in my description box. Please do hit that like button. And so you can do the eyebrows with any eyeshadow palette. The third one I'm using is this Maybelline New York Lash Sensational Mascara. So I'm wiping it here because obviously we all have 2 eyebrows, right? So I wiped one eyebrows, and I'm removing all the product from this brush into this bottle, and whatever is remaining I'm just brushing my eyebrows. I have also used my kajal. If you have any kind of kajal, you can just give a shape to your eyebrows, and then brushing with this mascara, which will also fill in the gaps. So this will fill in your the eyebrow gaps, and you're good to go. So this is also the third method which you can use a mascara to define your eyebrows. So I hope you like these 3 methods. If anything one is not available, you can use the other alternative. So please share this video to all your friends and family, and hit like to this video, and also do let me know which step do you use on your daily life. Also subscribe to my channel if you have not yet subscribed. Thank you so much for watching. Bye bye.